how you can change your login ID on the Instagram. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can change your contact number and Gmail ID on the Instagram. So without wasting time, let's start video. Firstly, open the Instagram. Then you will see profile icon at the bottom. Click on it and then click on three lines on top right. Here you will see setting option. Click on it and then click on account options. Here you will see personal information. Click on it and then you can see it is the my ID on which my Instagram is logged. So if I want to change it, then I can change it. I am selecting this ID. Then if I will click it, you can see has been successfully added to your account. So in this way you can change your Gmail ID on the Instagram. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.